Hold up. Yeah, no, when you see make money online videos on YouTube, you think, it's just another clickbait. But what if I told you so many people actually make a lot of money online? You can also make a lot of money online. So many people think that side hustles online don't work. Maybe you're gonna spend hours and hours and not get paid. But there are actually legit websites where you can make a lot of money from anywhere in the world. With just your mobile phone or your laptop, and from anywhere in the world, you can definitely make any amount of money that you want if you put in the effort. And so many people try to get the passive income. I know it's not easy, and passive income leads you to financial freedom. In some of my previous videos, I actually explained that you can get financial freedom when you get some passive income. And getting a job online is one of the best ways that you can actually get good passive income. So today, I am here to tell you that so many people actually do make money online, and it's free. In some of them, you might just need a certification, which might take a couple of hours, but then it's all free and you make money. All you need maybe is just a PayPal account and you're good to go. If you hang on till the end, you're gonna get more websites where you can do more hustle online. In this video, I'm gonna tell you 5 simple side hustles online with the websites and how to go about them. It's definitely gonna help you, so you just stay tuned. Number 1, Fiverr.com. Fiverr is actually a very popular website. So many people have made a lot of money from Fiverr, and they are still making a lot of money from Fiverr. So if you get on Fiverr, it's easy to create an account. It's easy to get jobs, to get gigs. Actually, it's called gigs on Fiverr, and it's easy for anyone to do. It doesn't matter the kind of skill that you have, you can get a job on Fiverr. If you're an editor, you're a freelance writer, you're a website designer, you can write books. If you can write good articles, if you can do so many things, anything crazy that you think you can do, someone needs your service on Fiverr. It's easy, pretty easy. You can make a lot of money from Fiverr just by being dedicated. And remember, you can do it part-time or you can do it full-time. Even with your 9-to-5 job, you can still hang on Fiverr and make a lot of money. And one good thing about Fiverr is that you decide how much you want to get paid. What Fiverr does is just to link you to the buyer, so it gets easier. You just gotta sell yourself. You just gotta make sure that people want to get your service. I actually use Fiverr sometimes. When I have some tasks that I want to accomplish, I do use Fiverr because it's easy, it's cheap, it's quick. You get people who can write you an article in maybe 5 hours, in maybe 24 hours. It depends on what you want and the amount of money that you want it for. You can get all the quality that you need, all the quality that you want in just a couple of hours. And for just few dollars, it's easy. All right, guys, so right now I'm gonna guide you through creating an account with Fiverr. It's easy. So here, once you open Fiverr.com, you can choose if you want to link it to your Facebook, if you want to open it with your Google account, if you want to open it with Apple. But then I would choose Google. So when I choose Google, that's because I want to use my Gmail account to create that, so I can use Willene style. That's actually the email that I can use. So I can use this. Now you can see Willene style at gmail.com, join. So I can join with my Gmail, and it's easy and it's free. Now you can see it's written here, Willene style, you need to activate your account, Willene style at gmail.com. So I go to my inbox and I click inbox. So now you have an account. In here you can see so many gigs that people have posted. I will be your social media manager. If you can be a social media manager, then you can open an account on Fiverr and you can get a job. If you can create content for social media, if you can manage Facebook, manage Instagram, manage anyone, you can definitely get a job online. Let's try to find, okay, so if you want to write a resume, or if you're very good at writing resumes, let me show you something. Resume writing. There's resume writing, there's resume and cover letter, there's resume writing and cover letter, and so much more. So let me just pick resume writing. So when I pick the resume writing, you can see here there's so many people, so many options. There's someone who says, I will write rewrite, update professional ATS resume. I will get you the job of your dreams through Expert CV. I will write a professional resume and cover letter. So there's so many different people doing these jobs online, and you can definitely be part of them. When you get a chance, you can just create an account and then go to your profile, and you can decide how you want to be. So guys, now this is the main page of Fiverr. If you want to be a seller, what you have to do is that you go to your name, you see your profile, manage request, post a request. This post a request is if you need something, if you want to get something done, you can post a request if you don't want to search for it. And then you also have the option of becoming a seller. If you want to become a seller, you click become a seller. Once you click become a seller, then you can see here, work your way, you bring the skill, will make earning easy. Become a seller. It means you can sell whatever you want, you can sell anything you want, even if you think it's so strange in your mind, even if you think it's so weird, someone might need your service. There's actually someone who does crazy weird stuff and wishes people a happy birthday on Fiverr, and they make a lot of money. Sometimes they charge about $50 for a gig. So you could definitely make money too. It doesn't matter where you are, even if you're in Africa, even if you're in Asia, in Europe, in American continent, anywhere you find yourself, you can open Fiverr and make your account, and then you can become a seller. So it's easy. You just need a PayPal account so that you can get paid through that. Easy peasy. All right guys, so that was the first one. If you got the time, you got the patience, and you got any skill at all, you should try to create an account on Fiverr, and you can make some money on there. Now the next one I'm going to talk about is online sales. Online sales number 2. This is very important because the world has become a global village. So it doesn't matter where you are, you can definitely buy or sell online. Now you need to take advantage of this facility because, for example, if you're located in the US, you should be able to buy something and sell. There's so many places you can buy. For example, if you're in the US, you can go to Walmart, you can go to any cheap stores, or even the garage sales. You can buy something cheap, get it to your home, package it, and post it online. You can post it on Craigslist, you can post it on Facebook. Well, for Facebook, let's see, this is my Facebook account, for example, and then I want to sell something that I have bought. I can search for sell anything. And for example, if you are in California, let's say in CA, okay, let's just say CA, yeah, sell anything in CA. Now you can see so many different groups where you can sell stuff. If you just click join, they can then later on confirm your request to join the group, and when you join the group, you can sell something that you have, so anything that you have. You know, if you go to Walmart, sometimes they are doing discounts, and sometimes you can preferably use the app for Walmart, and you can buy cheap stuff which they are trying to give away. Maybe they are trying to clear stock, so you can buy it cheap, bring it home, and then put it together and sell on these sites, in these groups actually, because it's easy to find people on there. When you find people, you can talk with them. If they want it, they can link up, come to your place, or you go to their place and you go deliver it, or you can send it through the mail. It's so easy. This way you can make a couple of bucks. It can definitely help you just by doing this. If you don't want to do it on Craigslist, you don't want to do it on other websites, you can definitely use this and make a couple of bucks. And for example, if you find yourself in for example, if you find yourself in Nigeria, Lagos, let's try Lagos, Nigeria. All right, if you're in Nigeria and you want to sell something in Lagos, you can see here, you can see buy and sell anything in Lagos. I can join that. Buy and sell anything in Igando, Ikotun, Lagos. Buy or sell Lagos, buy or sell. It's easy, you just join, and when you get the chance to buy something, you can buy something cheap and resell online. And for most Africans, if you're an African and you're watching me right now, there's a new wave where so many people actually buy stuff from China and they resell in their home country. That's one of the things that I do actually, and I actually work with so many people that we send these stuffs to them and they sell back home. So it's easy. If you can get a link, you can be able to buy, get it home, package it, post it in these groups or any other websites online, and you can easily sell that. You can send it through the mail, or you can decide to go deliver it yourself, which is really easy. So that way you can make a lot of money, which is definitely easy peasy. You just gotta buy cheap and sell a little bit more expensive. Make a couple of bucks and you are good to go. So the first one was Fiverr, the second, online sales. So guys, the next point is online real estate. I know so many people have been trying to get into real estate and so many people try to do it the traditional way, but this is the future, guys. Social media has made everything so much easier, and you can do real estate even if you don't have the certification. It's possible to do it. You can just be an agent for a big real estate company. You just gotta try to link up with them, talk with them, negotiate with them, tell them, okay, you can try to get some customers for them, you can try to get people who wanna buy houses for them, who wanna rent apartments. And if you can do that, you are gonna get a commission. That's very easy and that's possible. If you look around your city, look around your town, look around where you live, go to the big real estate companies, ask them, can I be your agent? Can I work for you? Can I just work for you maybe from home? If they say yes, you can talk with them, you can negotiate with them, tell them, okay, what you're gonna do is this. You're gonna search for customers for them. When they have any new apartments for sale or for rent, you will do your best to find customers for them, and then they can pay you a commission depending on how much the sales go. In this case, what you can do is that if you wanna get customers for some houses that are on sale, you just gotta get the pictures, the information from the real estate company, and then you can go on social media. In this case, social media comes into play again. You go on Facebook, Instagram, I named them before, and you make use of them. Social media is not just for jokes, for playing and having fun. These days, people actually do make real money on social media. So when you link up with those real estate companies, you get all the information that is available. You go online, on Facebook, anywhere, and you post them. When someone contacts you, you just gotta link them up to the main real estate company. And then once they make the sale or they buy the house, you then get your commission. Sometimes this is a little bit slow, but it works. It actually works, and people make money out of this. This way you can make money. Make sure it's a legit company. Post them. Once you get a customer, you link them up just like you discussed previously with the boss, and then you can get your commission. All right, guys, so that's that for the first parts. That was number 3. Now let's get into number 4. Number 4 is private tutoring. Actually, so many people are already doing this all around the world. It doesn't matter where you find yourself. Remember, there's a huge market for people who need to learn English language. Not just English language. There's people who want to learn German, Japanese, Chinese, and there's so many websites online that you can enroll in them and you can help to teach so many students that are all around the world. Well, one of the points that you need in order to start this kind of hustle is that you need a good internet connection, because you can't have a slow internet connection because most of your classes are going to be online. So you need a good and fast internet connection. In some cases, you're going to need a TEFL certification, maybe 40 hours, which definitely takes just a couple of weeks maybe, and you can get a certificate online. It's easy. TEFL certification, you can search on Google. Sometimes you need to do a one-on-one class with your students, so you need a good webcam and you can communicate with your students from all over the world, and you can teach and earn hourly. So many people actually do make a lot of money depending on the courses that you teach. The more complex the course is, the more you can earn. So you can also teach math, you can teach sports. If you're good in football, if you're good in basketball, you can definitely teach that. If you are good in marketing, if you have the certification, maybe you have a degree in marketing, you have a degree in management, you have a degree in something reasonable in law, you can definitely get a place in some of these websites where you can teach. If you go to Google and you search, you can definitely find those. Now, one of the websites I'm going to recommend to you is Preply. Preply.com. Preply.com is a really interesting website which teaches people all around the world. It's actually available in about 30 different countries, and they operate in about 5 different languages: English, German, Spanish, Italian, and even Russian. If you're required to get some certification, you should try to get it, and you will definitely get a good job there after an interview, and you can definitely make the money for yourself. All right, guys, the fifth, the last, but not the least, the fifth website that I'm going to talk about today is the enrollapp.com. It's actually a website testing app, which is legit, and you can definitely make some bucks on there just by testing a website. You know, their job is just to test websites that they make. So they want to see how you react to the websites and how you feel about the websites. So that's why they give you these websites to go on there, click, go through the websites and tell them how you feel, what you think about them. It's easy. You can do just in a couple of minutes and get paid. Well, you can earn in the Enroll app, you can earn about $0.5 to $1.5 just for one testing. And sometimes you can earn more. It depends on the complexity of the website. All right, guys, so I've come to the end of the 5 important online hustles that you can do to make some money. Now I'm gonna give you some websites to help you. If you wanna check them out, you can go to Google and check them out. I'm sure they're gonna be of help. Well, for the first one, you can check VOAP, which is a good website. I think it also has an app. You can actually sell pictures and videos on there and make some money per pictures. For example, if you have a good camera, you should definitely try this out. You do some pictures, you do some videos, and you upload them on there and become some stock videos, stock pictures, and people are actually gonna buy that. You can make sometimes $50 to maybe $300. And there's also gig work, that's for mainly residents of the US. For gig work, if someone has a task, the person can link up with you through gig work and you just go do it and you get paid. It's easy peasy. You can go to Google and find out more information about this. Snapwire, just like VOAP, Snapwire is another option where you can sell your photos, sell your videos, and make a lot of money. And if you love photography, if photography is your passion, then you can definitely do this and make some money while doing what you love. This is one of the amazing things about the hustle online. I will definitely be back again after more research for you guys. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, leave a comment, share this video so we can get more people to our channel and keep growing and making more amazing videos like this one. This is Willene. See you next time.